You mad, bro?
What is that?
You mad, bro?
What's a mad, bro?
You mad, bro?
Huh?
You mad, bro?
A mad, bro?
Yeah, you mad, bro?
I'm a mad, bro?
Yeah.
Why am I mad?
Cause
Why?
you're
Why do
mad.
you think I'm mad?
You mad, bro?
You think so?
It's a question.
You think so? I'm mad.
Maybe.
You think so? How did you assume that?
You mad, bro?
Keep going, keep going.
You
Keep
mad,
going,
bro?
Keep going before I make you mad. Go, keep
You
going.
mad, bro?
Keep going.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Good.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, go ahead.
What's up?
Alright, go ahead. Take a. Alright, we're good. Yeah, dude.
You mad, bro?
What's that?
You mad, bro?
Are you mad?
Are you mad, bro?
Am I a mad bro? I can't understand a word you're saying.
We're good.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah. You mad, bro?
That?
You mad, bro?
That?
Let me get this.
Your registration insurance as well?
Yeah.
Alright, just so you guys know, you guys were getting a ton of complaints on the air horn nonsense in the structures.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, we were just leaving right now.
Okay.
You want me to turn it off?
You haven't been
Yeah,
told
go
to
ahead,
step
turn
out, so just relax.
What?
You haven't been told to step out of the car, so just relax.
Oh, okay.
Nothing illegal on you? Turn to face the car. Hands behind your back, you're not under arrest.
Yeah, you mad, bro?
Am I mad, bro? No. Are you mad, bro?
I'm waiting for my